come with me to film a makeup video. I've been doing this for like a few months and I feel like I finally got the hang of it. And I use this tripod. I would have it linked. And then we pick this wall just because the sunlight is right there. And then we just have a plain background. This is a macro lens attachment that I just attached to my phone. Oh! To get that crisp, high quality content, I add this macro lens to my phone, and then I just put my phone here with the attachment on. Can't show you guys, but I'm gonna show you how the product looks. And let's just say this is, even though like my quality is so good anyway, just because of lighting, but let's see when I add the attachment onto it. It would look something like this. So it would just zoom in. And yeah, it's really cool. And I'm gonna make a makeup video with it, so